1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Iroc Z package, believed to be 56,000 original miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, no mileage recorded, above the 56,000. 5-liter TPI V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it, nice luster. Now it is kind of the GM mid-80s paint, so the bright red, as you know, sometimes fades a tad, but still has a nice shine, shows well on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, ground effects. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see this car inside and out, top to bottom, engine bay, T-tops in, T-tops out. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. 5-liter TPI engine paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Also very nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, power mirrors. Does have the power rear hatch release as well as the power closing deck lid once you go to close it. As you can see, CC1 RPO code T-top car. Does have the storage bag that is in the trunk, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. See up and down the side of this car, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Car appears to be straight, riding on the correct Iroc Z wheels. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is also a front end cover that will be included in the trunk of this vehicle in a box folded up. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there if you're seeing this video on YouTube. Go right to our website. Newer tires, plenty of miles left on those, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures as well. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side here. One real small little thing, if you can see that, if that shows up. One spot touched up right there, so a few imperfections on it, but hey, considering the year, you're going to have a little bit of that. But overall, car shows very well. All right, coming to the interior, mentioned some of those options. This does have the power driver's seat as well as the power lumbar, power bolster on it also. And power seat was working. Tried that earlier. There it is, sliding back, as you can see. Take a look at the wear on it. I'd say consistent with the mileage reading on this car. Of course, tilt and cruise. AM FM cassette player. And let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's the exact mileage reading, 56,000. We get that. There you go, 56,386. Whoops. Grab the keys a second here. Starts easily. Good sounding car. Like fuel gauge came up. That was a cold start, as you can see by the temperature gauge. Tach working. Oil pressure's good. Amp meter working. All right. Clock. Let's power up that stereo. Local station here. Radio working. Hear the compressor of the AC kicking on and off. Swipe with the wipers. Let's go ahead and turn that AC to max. Let's try it out. And AC blows cold in a hurry. Alright. Flip around to the back so you hear it run. See what you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, no big heavy thick cam in this thing. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood a second, check out the engine bay, and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner, good shape. Under hood light working, and there we go. That tuned port injected V8. As you can see, power steering, power brakes, AC once again, nice, clean, tight engine bay. Not corroded, rusty. Again, kind of reflects what you'd expect it to look like with miles on. There's a battery cutoff switch right here, FYI. And if you want to check out the RPO codes there in the still pictures, you'll be able to see exactly how this car is optioned out. And check those still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Iroc Z package. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.